just wondering if I'm going to need the blow dryer today.
You're going to be fine. Don't worry about it. It's National Pumpkin Day. I love Halloween, and I took, there's so many pumpkin segments that we've done that I brought you my four favorite things to do with pumpkins. We're going to try to do it in 3.5 minutes. Think we can do it?
Yeah, we can.
Yes, we can. Look at this. Milt is going to dim the lights because look at how we did this over here. This is a material called glow powder. It's called zinc sulfide. So what we did was actually put tape on there and taped the eyes and then sprayed it with adhesive.
Oh yeah, so it's not cut out.
Yeah, so it's not cut out at all. And then we just put the glow powder on there. So if you go to your Halloween store or one of those places, you can make it glow. And so when the lights go down, it glows.
So
and it's just an eerie kind of thing to see,
Green's
which is
my
very, very
favorite
cool.
color,
I love
Steve.
that. All right, so the lights come back up again. Warm water here in the container. And then I have one of these little fake pumpkins because they're kind of fun.
Yeah.
So this goes in here. And now what you can do is this. The pumpkin goes over the top. And see how it just kind of comes out the mouth. Oh,
that is eerie.
It's so spooky and eerie. Isn't that great?
I love it.
Now remember, we put all of our dry ice tips over at HalloweenScience.com, so they can kind of go over there
And
and
there's
you can
so
see
much
it that
more
way.
on that website.
There is a little bit, huh? There is a little bit. Well, we're going to let that one go because what if you have a carving problem? I know that you're worried about that all the time.
I
aren't
am
you?
worried.
You just go, what? It's so hard nowadays. Look at here in the very middle if you do this. See, we carved the pumpkin, but it takes so much work to put your finger in there. And see how you have to pull it out?
I do.
Way too much work.
Yeah.
So much
Oh,
work.
Steve,
So
there's
here's
a
what we're gonna do.
blowtorch.
There is an easier way to do it. So we're going to use this with Mr. Kubrick. We showed him what these little rocks are. These are little rocks of calcium carbide. When that touches water, it produces acetylene gas. That's a good thing. So acetylene gas, we can break a triple bond, which is an awesome thing if you're a science teacher.
Better than a double bond.
Put your glasses on. Watch this. So I'm going to pour the water inside here like this. Oh, it's looking good. Good. And so now we kind of put the lid on. Studio audience, cover your eyes. Good. So here's what you do, Kathy. No, get up here. It's just fine. You just have to hold on to it like this.
With a blowtorch,
And, no,
I
it's
am
great.
not standing next to you.
Just
I have a
be
lot
fine.
of hair.
Watch this. Bam! Isn't that awesome? Look at that. This is how you carve the pumpkin.
You scared my guests, and
Your
they've
guests
been
are
wonderful
fine.
guests
They're
today.
fine. Isn't that great? So look at this. We can make them glow. We can make them smoke. We can blow them up, which is my favorite thing to do.
My heart is beating so fast right
look
now.
at this. You have to work with me on this one. So watch this. We need this material here.
Do I need these on still?
Still.
They're so
this
attractive.
Is hydrogen peroxide.
Okay.
So hydrogen peroxide, normally the stuff that you get at home is 3%. This is 30%.
All right.
Which is important. So now I added a little bit of soap to this, and we're going to pour a catalyst inside. But before we do that, you are going to hold on
the
pumpkin
big
head.
pumpkin.
Okay? So here's pumpkin.
I don't have to put it on my head, do
watch
I?
This. This is pumpkin head cat. See, isn't that great?
Nobody wants to see that.
All right, so here's what's going to happen. You
I
hang
have
on
stuff
to this.
on my glasses. I
Hang
can't
on to
see.
this. So here's what's going to happen.
Do I have to put it on my head?
You and I have to work carefully because I'm going to dump this inside, and then you and I have to cover this up pretty quickly.
Okay.
Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. This is our big finale. So everything goes inside here, and now we cover it up. Nice stuff. And now watch what happens. This is called oozing. See? This is oozing pumpkin man.
Oh, that is the finale.
Isn't that the greatest?
Wow, can you color that stuff?
Well, the fumes are somewhat toxic, but everything is fine. No. It's just producing
But can you
water
make it a
vapor.
color? Can you add color?
You could do whatever you want to with it. You can make it ooze. You can blow it up. You can make it smoke, or you can make it glow.
Smell toxic.
Happy. That's the smell of science.
Is it?
No, it's a great smell, isn't it? But this is what we go. We go like this. We go, Happy National Pumpkin Day.
And
Ta-da.
HalloweenScience.com.
That's the one we're going to go to. It'll be absolutely perfect all
Because
the
this
way
is our
through.
last week to really go crazy with the gourds.
And we want to see people on social media. They've been so nice. They looked at our. Look at this. It's still oozing. Isn't that great?
Wow.
It's just. Unfortunately, I don't know how to clean up all that well. So I've got.
I have kids in the audience today.
I understand. Well, and we can have them help. HalloweenScience.com.
Love it.
We would love on social media to have all of those people
Can
share
I take
our
mine off now?
Yeah, share their ideas with us as well. So we'd love to see their pictures and everything. We've been working an entire month to make Friday and Saturday awesome, and we'd love to see how much science they have as well.
What's
Ta-da.
the most popular pumpkin experiment that you can find on Halloween Science?
Well, you're going to see all the dry ice stuff on Halloween.
So that's,
you're
is
gonna
that the
really,
big one?
You're going to really learn how to do that well.
Okay.
These are the kinds of things that chemistry teachers just absolutely love to do. So you'll glow and you'll do all the things that will happen there, and
You
a nice
glow.
little kaboom.
You
Nice,
make us
nice.
glow
Isn't that
by
kinda
being
fun?
here.
Thank
Kyle
you,
and Kim,
thank you.
I still have my hair, and there's a weird smell over here.
Smell like
yeah. Well,
exploding
we
pumpkin.
jumped.
Isn't that a great smell?
There's
Awesome.
There's some stuff on the ground over here I'm not supposed to step in.
And the holes in your dress, honestly, we can patch those up. It's fine.
Oh, yes, no worries.
Happy National Pumpkin Day.
Happy National Pumpkin Day to you, Steve.
The smell of science.
That's it.
I like
right
that.
there.
I know.